Hello and welcome to another video of sentence correction. I'm Preetinder Kaur for Perfect Scores. This is our website address, our email address, and the Facebook page. So if you find any kind of mistake in this sentence, especially in this underlined portion, you can choose any one of the first three options. If you think that it is correct, you choose option 4. So let's read the sentence. Denouncing it as anti-democratic, the Lobbying Act was slammed by critics, imposing draconian limits on the activities of trade unions. Now, first of all, there's a little concept of modifiers, and you might have watched a few videos on modifiers under sentence correction, and you know that the first part over here is giving you a description, denouncing it as anti-democratic. Now this part over here is a modifier, so by the rule of modifiers, it should be placed next to the word it modifies. That means who are the people who are actually denouncing the act. It cannot be the act itself, so because of that, the fourth option is gone. That means there is definitely a mistake. And even the first option goes because it says the Lobbying Act once again, so option 1 is also gone. So who is or who are denouncing the act as anti-democratic? It's the critics. So it's either 2 or 3. So let's read the second one in more detail. Denouncing it as anti-democratic, critics slammed the Lobbying Act, imposing draconian limits on the activities of trade unions. Now this sentence makes it look like the critics are the ones who are imposing draconian limits, but that's not true. It's the act that was imposing the limits. That is the reason why they were denouncing it in the first place. So the second statement distorts the meaning, that's why it's eliminated, and the answer is number 3. So your correct option needs to pass 3 tests. It should be correct in terms of grammar. It should give the appropriate or the correct meaning. And it should be as concise as possible. So grammar, meaning, and concision. Grammar, meaning, concision, these 3 things are the ones that you have to check in every option. And in this case, option 3 satisfies all of these 3 criteria. And that's the answer. So thank you so much for watching this video.